Hey yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Nitin and today we will be talking about ticker symbol AMD. Before we hop into the video, if you guys have not already joined the LTG trading team on Discord, I highly recommend you guys do so. It's a free Discord trading team. It's something that I offer to everyone of my viewers and my subscribers, so I can build a community for you guys and have a great place to communicate and have high level, in-depth, and quality discussions about the stock market, and for people to learn and to excel and sharpen themselves in the stock market. If you guys are interested, that will be the first link in the description. I don't want to waste too much of your guys' time today. Otherwise, that will be the first link in the description. Now, going into the video, so nothing's gonna be too crazy today. It's just gonna be a stock analysis of AMD and what does the future hold for this stock. Whether this is a good investment, whether this is a good swing trade, whether this is a good short-term trade, what you guys should do for this upcoming Monday on the stock, and overall, where are we headed with this stock? 100 plus, 130 plus, 200 plus, or going back down to those 50s that we saw almost 4 or 5 months ago. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do here is do a technical analysis, just look at where the highs and lows and how the chart is looking. I'm gonna quickly go over the recent Friday that we had and how the stock played out. So we can see right here, right at the beginning of market open, we can see that there's a drop to that low 90s right over here, and then we can see that it hit a high of 95.24, and then we can see that there's a constant uptrend throughout the day, and then right here was our more flow flat period right at the after hours. So we kind of hit a high during the after hours, and then we kind of stayed constant throughout the day. So it was a pretty good day. The charts look really good on this. You can see that there's some nice reversals over here, nothing too crazy, but there's some good reversals. The RSI, I know it's not in the picture too well, but just looking at how the peaks were looking and how it was moving before I screenshotted these so I can draw on them, they did look very good. Overall, it's a pretty good day for some profit. You could have hit around a $5 to $4 profit per share depending on how much you bought. Now to look at how the stock has been doing even more, we need to look at how it's been doing. Now to look at more in depth on how the stock has been doing, we need to look at the 180-day chart and see how it's been traveling throughout the past couple of months. So we can see that it's in the $50 range all over here, just staying constant throughout the summer and before when COVID hit, before that in March and February. And we can see that there was a constant uptrend from here from COVID, and then we can see it during the summertime and the months after COVID really started to hit, we can see it stayed constant in the low 50s. This was a great buying point for people because they know that AMD would be releasing some type of GPU or CPU in the coming months, and which we have possibly seen with this huge uptrend right here. We've seen that this is a big uptrend. We've seen tons of news that comes out on them being able to put out new GPUs, new CPUs, and creating some of the fastest systems for scientific research. All that news that has been compiled has been able to help this grow again right up here. And then we can see that there are some nice peaks all over here, even over here, and we can see that those are some nice peaks, very healthy. Even better is we can see that there's some leveling points. We can see that the level is around the $75 to $80 mark. If it does drop, you can see that it's pretty consistent there. Every single time it drops, you're really not even going that far, right? So we also see that there was a kind of drop right here, but it's nothing to worry about. Obviously, if the news is gonna come, then obviously gonna keep on moving. We can see that this is like a constant leveling point of the height. Here, I'll just use a different color here, but I'll use blue on a pencil, but this is more of a constant uptick, right? But the great thing to see here is the high that it hit a couple of days ago, right? The high that it hit shows us that a lot more is happening, and when a lot more is happening, the stock moves up. That moves into our prediction point of what I'm going to possibly predict. This stock will for sure hit $100. This could possibly happen in this upcoming week, which is very possible. $4 movement is a pretty good amount of movement for the stock, and we saw that it moved about $5 over the course of time on Friday, and I do believe that this could hit $100 very much so before the end of December. And my prediction is in the next coming months, probably 3 or 4 months, I think we can see the stock pass $120, $130. It max hit $130. Maybe max I'd say it hit before it hit $130 is by midway of next year, but I can see it hitting $130 a lot more earlier. So that's just my prediction. That's because just there's so many nice leveling points on this, tons of nice support on here. The chart looks really nice. There are some nice MACD kind of push-ups over here, but nothing to be be too worried about. Again, the stock can fall fast, it goes up. Any type of bullish stock can fall. So that's just how the game goes, and you just want to be prepared to sell if something does happen. But the nice thing is that AMD and Nvidia are the two only main competitors within each other that are in this industry for GPUs along that. So I wouldn't be worried about a competitor because this stock is more likely to be an investment and a swing trade more than a day trade. You can day trade this for sure, but you wouldn't see as exponential profit as you would want to see, obviously. But if I was going to say what type of trade this would be a swing trade for a couple of months or an investment for the next 2 or 3 years, because this stock isn't going anywhere. There aren't no new companies that are going to make GPUs and be able to take over AMD and Nvidia. It's just AMD has already settled itself in the market and is keep on creating better and better products, lifting itself up. So again, this is probably an investment and swing type of trade. This has been my analysis. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please consider hitting the like button if you guys enjoyed the video and found this video helpful, and also please consider supporting the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also comment down below if you guys have any questions for me. I would love to answer them, or any other questions about what I could change for you guys and what other stocks I should review. Again, the Discord link will be in the first link in the description, right there in the description, and otherwise I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.